Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're interested in, then keep watching. It's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go. So what you're going to need to do this project, you're going to need some paint of your choice, some floors of your choice, two vases or vases from the Dollar Tree or something that you may have in your home, either a jar or can or whatever. And what I'm doing is removing the sticker off the bottom of these vases. I did purchase these from Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. And now I am about to apply the white Rust-Oleum chalk paint, and we are going to try to give this a somewhat of a ombre effect, not fully, a partial ombre. And I am making sure that I cover the top portion of this vase with the chalk paint, making sure that I cover any of the glass. I did not want the glass to seep through. I'm using my heating tool to dry the paint. If you are a crafter, you know this is something that you need in your crafting stash at all times. It cuts the drying time in half. If you're just now joining my channel, welcome. Welcome back to all my joyful subbies. If you're passing through, hey, make sure you consider clicking on the subscribe button and joining the joyful subby family. Right now I am out of frame as I am trying to adjust the lighting on the ring light. And now I'm finishing adding paint to the second vase. I want to make sure I give it good coverage as well. It too will have somewhat of an ombre effect. I am out of focus. Intentionally, I was trying to find my chalk paint and I finally found it. This is the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color Hazelnut. This was purchased from Walmart. I think the price I paid for this was $1.67. They have gone up on their cost of paint, these little small ones. Well, on everything, as you know. But yeah, this is the color that I chose for my bottom half. And feel free to use the colors that will accent your home decor and go with your home style. This is something that I chose for my home decor. I am letting that one air dry while I prepare the second one to be dried. If you're just now tuning in, I am Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the JoyfulDesignz brand, and I am bringing you two beautiful high-end DIYs using these vases or vases right here. And stick around and stay tuned. You won't be disappointed. You want to make sure that the paint is dried fully before proceeding with the next step. You don't want your hand to get all messed up, and neither do you want to have to repaint it. As you can see, I am adding the second color, which is the Hazelnut by Waverly. This paint can be found at Walmart. A lot of my designs, they be in my head and then I will create them. Not to say that they haven't been created already. It's just that I may not have seen them, but I just decided that this is something that I wanted to do. As you can see, I have dried these vases and they're looking pretty already, but now I am adding some elements to them. So I have some faux leather ribbon that you can actually purchase from the Dollar Tree. It has been hard finding these lately, but you can use this. If you don't have any leather, find an old belt and just cut it into smaller strips. I have done that on my channel as well. I am adding handles, so I clipped off enough just to make handles out of these. I will be applying the handles on both sides. Once it is dry, you can manipulate the vase some holding it, but I wouldn't encourage you to do that long term because this is just held together by glue, hot glue, and it's just meant to be a part of the decor. And already, you guys, you see how cute this is coming along. I did want to give you two options where you can have it with the handles and or without the handles. Now I am going to put this same faux leather around the middle portion of the vase in order to give you a different look. It is going to meet where the two colors join. When you guys see this, you're going to be like, yeah, that looks pretty good. This is going to give it a bit of a higher end look. Now I'm cutting off the excess. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing so. Look at this, guys. This turned out so cute. This is a higher end look. I love it. It goes well with my home decor. I have styled it using some of the Magnolia leaves that I purchased from the Dollar General. It was about $3 for each limb, but look at that. As you can see, I have accented the handles using some gold tacks. Just cut the tips of them off and then glued them down. I added it all around the second one as well. Guys, thank you for watching. Until the next DIY, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.